Greetings, my fellow container gardeners. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just getting your hands dirty for the first time, today's topic is going to add a tropical twist to your gardening adventures. You ever stroll through your local market, spot a gorgeous pineapple, and think, hey, why can't I grow that myself? Maybe you've even picked one up, admired its spiky crown, and wondered if it could thrive in your own home. Well, guess what? You totally can. Right in a pot on your patio, balcony, or even a sunny windowsill. No need for a sprawling tropical backyard or fancy greenhouse, just a little know-how and patience. Let's get into the juicy details of how to grow pineapples in containers and dodge the rookie mistakes I see all the time. Trust me, a few simple tips can make all the difference between a thriving plant and a sad, wilted disappointment. The pineapple belongs to the Bromeliaceae family, native to the tropical Americas. So growing it anywhere else requires containers. First things first, picking your pineapple. This is where your pineapple journey truly begins, so don't rush it. Grab a fresh, healthy fruit with green, perky leaves. None of that wilted brown stuff, okay? The crown should look vibrant and full, not limp or dried out. A healthy top means a better chance of rooting and growing strong. First thing, you're going to want to separate the crown from the fruit. Do this by cutting just below where the two meet, making sure you don't hurt any part of the crown. And then remove any of the flesh that may have come off with it, leaving only the tougher, whitish, yellowish stalk. Look on the bottom. Make sure you see a ring of brownish dots along the base of the stalk. These will become the new roots. You may need to cut a little bit more to find them, and then pluck off a few of those bottom leaves to expose the stem, leaving the tallest leaves that stand upright. This helps the roots sprout more easily and gives your plant a solid start, and those outer leaves can rot, wrecking your chances before you even begin. Let it dry out for a day or two. Patience, my friend. This helps prevent rot. It might seem like a small step, but letting the cut end callus over is crucial for healthy root development. Next up, picking the right pot. Start your crown in a small pot, about 6 to 8 inches wide and deep, until it takes root. Then upgrade it as needed until you have it in a pot about 15 inches deep. You shouldn't need any bigger than that as your final container. That should be about a 5-gallon container, and with drainage holes. Trust me, soggy roots are the fast track to pineapple heartbreak. Good drainage is non-negotiable, so check those holes before you plant. Clay pots are preferred as they allow better air circulation and good drainage. Fill it with a light, fast-draining mix. Think cactus soil or mix in a little perlite for good measure. Heavy, dense soil will suffocate your pineapple, so keep it airy and loose for the best results. Pineapples don't need rich soil. In fact, they actually don't like very fertile conditions. They love a soil with a pH between 4.5 and 6.5. You can add wood chip mulch around the plant to add some acidity and retain moisture as well. Now rooting. Stick that spiky crown right into your soil, but don't bury it too deep, just an inch or so. Press the soil gently around the base to keep it upright. Water it lightly, don't drown it. Pineapples are tough, but they hate wet feet. A gentle mist or a small drink is all it needs to get started, and then place it somewhere warm and sunny. Pineapples are sun worshippers, so 6 to 8 hours of bright light a day is the sweet spot. If you can give them even more, they'll thank you with faster growth and stronger leaves. Initially, it can take your crown a few weeks to a couple months to really root down. You can very gently tug at the crown after a couple weeks. If there is resistance, it has started rooting. If you're dealing with gloomy winters, a grow light is your new best friend. Don't be afraid to supplement natural light. Your pineapple will thrive with a little extra help. And remember, pineapples like it warm, ideally between 70 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 to 35 degrees Celsius. If your home gets chilly, keep your plant away from drafty windows or cold floors. Anything below 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 degrees Celsius can lead to your plant going into dormancy. And remember, pineapple plants can grow 3 to 4 feet tall, so make sure you take that into account when determining where to keep it. All right, here's what not to do. Don't overwater. I know you love your plant, but pineapples like it on the dry side. They are a drought-tolerant plant. Let the top inch of soil dry out before you water again. Too much water will rot the roots before you even see a sprout. Root rot is the #1 killer of container pineapples, so err on the side of caution. And don't fertilize right away. Give it a month to settle in. Let your plant focus on rooting before you introduce any plant food. After that, a gentle, balanced liquid feed every couple of months is all it needs. Maybe more than enough. Don't go overboard. Too much fertilizer can burn the roots and stunt growth. If the leaves show a purple or brown tinge, you can spray some liquid fertilizer on them. Now here's what's wild. It can take up to 2 or 3 years to get fruit, but the payoff is so worth it. Watching your plant grow and change is half the fun. You'll see a little red flower burst up from the center, and then, boom, a baby pineapple starts to grow. It's a slow process. It can take the fruit 4 to 6 months after flowering to develop, but seeing that first fruit is pure gardening magic. Remember, don't rush it and keep that pot somewhere cozy if temps drop below 60 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 degrees Celsius. Pineapples are sensitive to cold, and a sudden chill can set them back or even kill them. These guys hate the cold. If you live somewhere with frosty winters, bring your plant indoors or cover it up to keep it safe. Just be sure to acclimate it to more shade before bringing it in for the winter. And one more thing, pineapples are relatively pest-free, but watch out for mealybugs. If you notice them, just spray your plant with a mixture of 5% dishwashing liquid and 95% water to get rid of them. So there you have it, pineapples in pots at home. With a little care and patience, you'll have your own mini tropical paradise, no matter where you live. Easy, fun, and honestly, kinda magical. Growing pineapples is a great project for kids, families, or anyone who loves a gardening challenge with a sweet reward. If it doesn't take root on your first try, don't give up, just try it again. It took me about 3 tries before I got my first plant going, so give it a whirl and soon you'll be the envy of your block. Happy growing! And remember, every pineapple you grow is a little victory, so celebrate each step along the way. Please like and subscribe to help out my channel. And leave a comment. Take great care, and I'll see you in the next one.